Hey, what's up everybody? Back at Henry Cove, Hunting Hollow. It's been a while since I've been back here. 26 pounds. My new knife arrived the other day. It's the Joker Arizo. Has a really thick spine on it, but it's still pretty compact. You might be asking, why bring a big old knife backpacking? Well, why not? Knives are cool. Actually, one of the reasons I brought a steak today was so I can actually use it too. During my last trip to Kennedy Lake with Jim Lowe, I was surprised how much I actually used the Mahoney Eldris neck knife. Just really came in handy just to have a knife that's easily accessible around my neck. During the spring, this is the big water crossing at the Coit Road. Yeah, it's completely dry. So just hoping there's some water at the horse camp. The Dawn dish soap cap finally broke. Lasted quite a while. Not exactly sure how cold it's gonna get tonight. I'm guessing low 40s. Well, not too worried. Have the 20-degree underquilt for the hammock. Always pretty warm in the hammock. Starting to get chilly these days with the sun coming down earlier. Thank goodness. I've been done with this summer heat. With those 100-degree days. Yeah, I'm welcoming this cooler weather, cooler nights. Actually, can't wait to see more videos from backpackers from the south. It's nice to be back here at Henry Cove. This is my go-to spot, my backyard. My comfort place, even after going to the Eastern Sierra with Whitney, then to Immigrant Wilderness with Jim Lowe, to Kennedy Lake. I still love it here. It's just comfortable here. It's like Mr. Rogers walking in the door and putting on the slippers. Kind of that kind of feeling. Picked up some Sour Patch Kids along with the steak on the way here. Over at Walmart. Was tempted to pick up another knife while there too. Getting close to Coit Horse Camp. Just crossing my fingers. Just hoping there's water there. Here's the moment of truth. I don't see any trickling. But there is water. Yay. Yay. Alright. Gonna camel up. Drink probably a liter. And then filter maybe 2 liters. Forgot my Nalgene bottle. So, I guess I'll just filter a liter into the smart water bottle. That's funny. In one trip, broke the on dish soap cap and lost the Sawyer squeeze gasket. But it's a good thing I always bring an extra cap and an extra gasket. Brought a bunch of these Skippy peanut butter packets. Yeah, these are so essential. I go through a lot of these at home and on during the hikes. Ate a bunch of these during the Whitney hike. 190 calories, protein and fats, just ready to go. Nice thing about this flex capacitor, could expand. It should stay. Got the headlamp on, Workos HD10. This is a high CRI headlamp. 5 to 10 minutes until sunset. This is one of my favorite times to hike around here, around sunset. It starts to get cooler. Nice breeze with the bugs going away. Looks like someone left their shoes behind. Yep. Pretty low. I'm gonna make my way up to the top of the hill. That's where I'm gonna hang. Nice set of trees up there. I think I'll hang here. It's good width between these trees. All set up with the hammock. It's the hammock gear, circadian. Got the lead lenser ML4 warm lantern there. I love that thing. On low, it lasts for hours. Runs on a 14500 lithium battery too. It took me a bit to remember how to tie the Beckett hitch. Try to remember voices of Shug. Got the hammock gear, 20-degree underquilts. Soft shackles I made out of Zingit. Hanging my electronics ditty bag on this. Nice things about the press it, because you can just tension it to raise it up. And I brought these metal clips just to keep the bug net up. Another cool tip from Shug. And I got my extra clothes in the peak loft up here. Got the hammock gear 40-degree. Yeah, this one's been pretty nice for the summer. Yeah, it should be warm enough tonight. This is the silk poly hammock tarp. Nice thing about these, it has line lock 3s on them, so this makes it really easy to pitch. have a nice view around me in case some boars decide to come by. Alright, just bringing out all my food. Just brought all the comforts. Got the Daiso Mess Tin with some rice. Hopefully I can remember how to make it. I mean, I made a video out of it. Brought the Trangia kettle. Yeah, I don't use this enough since it's kind of a pain in the butt to carry, but tonight's comfort trip, so yeah, I just like using it. For my stove today, I'm using the Firebox gas burner with the titanium diffuser. Make it into a gas grill. So we can cook up this steak. Brought a snap fold cup that I'm going to use as a cutting board. Got the windscreen here. Here's the Firebox in the tin container. Yeah, I love this thing. Just don't use it enough. So you put the pins in here. Another pin here. You feed the gas burner in. It snaps right in. Cooking some rice, so I'll be using quite a bit of fuel here. Alright, let's get this rice ready. Measured out a rice cup, which is around 3/4 of a cup. But I don't really have a way to measure the water, so I'm just going to try to eyeball it. And let that soak for a bit. Let's get some coffee going. I brought Carlos's coffee already ground up. Whoa. Coffee in the stool sample container. It's been hanging in your bags here. Alright. Water is ready. I got the stainless knob for this Trangia, so you could put it on top of a fire if needed. Nice to have a spout to pour. I need to bring this more often on backpacking trips, even if it has a lot of bulk to it. Let's get the stove going again. Cook the rice. Damn, that's good coffee. Got a pretty boil on the rice. I just realized I forgot my spoon again. I don't think I'll use my poop trowel for the spoon. Got these tongs here I could kind of use. Starting to hear a little bit of sizzling, so the water's all boiled out. Let's see. Let's try to wrap this up. Flip this over. Let that sit for maybe 10 minutes. Meantime, let's get the steak cut up. There we go. Use my knife. Get those pieces ready. Let's get my seasoning going. Actually, it's like a mixture of steak seasoning and everything bagel seasoning. Let's get the titanium diffuser on here. Okay, it's all lit. Actually, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on top too. All right, let's get this going. Ooh, I'll put this piece here. It's diffusing. Oh yeah. This is what I've been waiting for. Nice steak while backpacking. The Firebox gas grill. Some steamed rice with the Daiso Mess Tin. Let's go. Yeah, I'm glad I brought this steak so I can use my knife. Might as well get some beans going. Just freeze-dried beans. And then I add some taco seasoning to it. I think I'll try this piece. Oh yeah. My ditty bag. My ready to go hygiene bag. Got my hand sanitizer here. Just clean this up a bit. Probably ready. Let's just check. Oh yeah, that looks nice. It's nice, working well. Cuts like butter. Look at that. Try that. See how the rice looks now. Yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah. A little bit awkward to eat like this, but works. I think this last piece is ready. Let's take the diffuser off. Get some water going for the beans. Let's take a look at this piece. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Looks about ready. Got beans and rice, and steak. Oh, that's perfect. That's so good. Especially after a hike. Steak, refried beans, and Japanese steamed rice. Yeah, this is really good. Hit the spot. With the coffee I drank earlier, probably gonna be up pretty late. But before I left, I downloaded a bunch of movies from Amazon Prime. Also downloaded a TV series based on the Yakuza video game. It's not too cold right now. No wind. It's really quiet. I have the Canuck hanging off the hammock suspension. So just going to use this as a gravity hang. Brought some Dr. Bronner soap too, so maybe I'll use some of that to clean this up. I think it's the black container. Let's put a little bit in here. Let's see. Looks like my water is overflowing. Shouldn't be freezing tonight, so I'll just leave this out. These are clean. Well, I switched sides to head left, feet right. Feels more comfortable this way tonight. Just getting started with this Yakuza TV series on Amazon Prime. Is that Kiru? Cool. Starting to get chilly. I'm watching a documentary called Desert Runners. It's about ordinary people who trying to attempt to run 4 ultra marathons in the desert. Seems pretty interesting. Bat over your head, and Carney Lansford from the A's, Ricky Henderson. I was all Ricky. Ricky was my hero, or our hero back in the day when we were in Little League. And in college, I had a major. Everyone wanted to be Ricky. So it was time to call it quits. Good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's around 48 degrees. Sun is out. Yeah, I slept great. I think I'll get up, make some coffee, maybe take a look at the pond and see if I can catch a small bass with the Tenkara rod. And just chill out a bit. A little bit chilly outside the hammock. I could hear some cows mooing in the distance. What's up with those cows? Sounds like a cow in distress or something. Oh, for camp shoes, brought the Outdoor Research aerogel booties. There's other brands with similar designs, but yeah, you could walk around with these. Super toasty. These are my favorite. I walk around the house with these too. Right. Let's get some coffee going. Yeah, the stove is a bit sputtery. But the main reason I use this is for the titanium diffuser and this grill, so I can have a portable gas grill to cook up some steak or spam. Oh, it's really quiet now. Everything's so still. It's one of the things I like about this place. You don't have to go too far to get some solitude. I'm glad the weather's turning now, getting colder. Time to get bundled up and bring more layers, rain gear. We'll see how much rain we get this winter. A couple winters ago, it was really bad with the atmospheric rivers. Get this coffee going. Yeah, this coffee is pretty strong. Ooh. I think I'll see where that cow's at, mooing over there. This is why I wear gaiters. Oh, this brush has all these stickies that gets all in your socks and shoes. A lot of game trails intersecting here. I don't see any cows though. Just heading down to the pond, Mahoney Pond. Yeah, it looks pretty murky. It's just a big mud pit now. Sure, a lot of wild pigs, boars, have been cropping all into this. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. I think I might try to conserve my water of what I have. Let's get some breakfast going. Got some PopTarts, s'mores flavor. But yeah, let's grill up some Spam singles. Yeah, that's why I really like the Soda Windmaster with the regulator. A little bit more consistency in the flame. Oh yeah. We tried Spam on an open flame, cooked on the stick. Jim Lowe cooked it up for me. Actually, it came out really good. Nice and toasty. Let's see how it looks. Try a piece. Oh, that's good. Nice and crispy. I guess I don't need electrolytes this morning. Got something salty. Got about a liter left of the Coit horse camp water, which is a lot cleaner than that pond water. So I should be good until I head back to the horse camp again. Alright, all packed up. Leave no trace. Yeah, looks like it's starting to warm up now. A little bit of clouds out, but it'll probably burn off pretty soon. Maybe I'll be back after the rain. See how it looks. So I've been asked lately, what's the next challenge? What's the next goal? Especially after hiking up Whitney. Yeah, I don't know. Just chill. Just try to get out as much as I can. maybe help Mike take care of some of those Bay Area peaks. I'm not much of a peak bagger myself, but sounds like a cool thing to do anyway. Maybe try the Lonely Wilderness Trail, or just a quick backpacking trip up to Snow with Mike and Jim. Might try to get into running. I really enjoy fast packing and some trail running. So hopefully I can keep in shape, getting outdoors. Still want to do some surf fishing. Haven't been out there in months. Yeah, it'd be nice to catch some perch sometime. But yeah, basically just try to get outdoors as much as I can. No super hard challenges like Whitney or anything like that. Just chill. Homie's just cold chilling on the table. Still got a half a liter left, so just gonna fill it up. Alright, found the gasket with the mesh screen that I lost earlier. Looked like I fell below here. I ran into the first person out here I've seen on this trip. Older gentleman. Usually I see retired dudes on mountain bikes out here during the week. Still hearing that cow mooing from somewhere. Yeah, I got another retired age gentleman on an e-bike passing through. Said this last climb is called the Sphincter. This is the last one, and you don't know it's coming. How's it going?
Yeah, you ride outdoors?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah,
That's a trip. That's my first encounter with someone who recognized my YouTube channel. Congratulated me on the Whitney climb too, so that was nice. Yeah, that's a trip. Asked him if he wanted to be in the video. He said, not really. So I'll respect that. But yeah, it's always nice to get some props, I guess. Yeah, it's been a chill trip. This is exactly what I wanted. Nice comfort trip with the hammock, with the Firebox gas grill, cooking up a steak. Just enjoying the cooler temperatures now. I sleep really well in a hammock. In a lot of ways better than my bed at home. So it's always nice to get some hang time in. Looks like there's like a geocache or something here. Official geocache. Please do not disturb. Let's see what's in here. We got Yosemite National Park, best easy day hikes, pen and paper, sign in. Yeah, I'll just leave this alone. There. Found another geocache. Probably need to do a better job hiding these things if I could stumble upon it. Maybe I should replace that O-ring on this thing. It's looking pretty worn out. Alright, back at the lot. Yeah, it was a chill trip. Had some sweet views. To those Henry Co. volunteers who watch my videos, I really appreciate it. Yeah, thanks a lot. I've designated the Chicken Trumper Ultralight Gear wallet as my first aid ID and keys pouch. 22 pounds. Alrighty, car's all packed. If you want to check out the route, there's a link in the description for the AllTrails map. There's also a link to the lighter pack for the gear loadout for this trip. Alrighty, take it easy and have a good one. Well, glad I didn't sever any arteries with the nick knife. Maybe I should pack some sutures just in case, if I'm going to be bringing sharp blades with me.